Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Grammarly affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Grammarly website by entering the URL in your browser. Scroll down to the bottom of the home page. Look for the link that says affiliate program or affiliates. Click on that link to access the Grammarly affiliate program page. On the affiliate page, read through the details to understand the benefits and requirements. Locate the Sign Up or Join Now button and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration form. Fill out the required information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. If applicable, provide details about your website or platform where you plan to promote Grammarly. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click on the Submit button to complete your registration. Check your email for a confirmation message from Grammarly. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into the Grammarly affiliate dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available promotional materials. Generate your unique affiliate link for Grammarly. Choose banners or other promotional content to use on your platform. Start sharing your affiliate link through your website, blog, or social media channels. Monitor your affiliate dashboard for performance metrics and earnings. Adjust your promotional strategies based on your analysis of the data. Stay updated with Grammarly's latest offerings to enhance your promotions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.